So hello everybody, I'm David from onlyas.net. And today's videos I want to show you the plugin I just created. It's called H5P Plus, and as you can see right now, it changed the colors of the plugin H5P. When you check, the answer is have sound, like correct answer and wrong answer is always have sound. So and the more important thing is create the leaderboard. That's very exciting with you. Yeah, and you can check the result of all the activities in the admin dashboard like this, and you can type the name of the activity. It will show you exactly. Yeah, you can see right now like this. And so we can customize the color. And this is the dashboard, the admin dashboard of the H5P Plus. So you can change the colors of your logo. Your primary color, your brand color. You can change right here. Like this, I change to a purple. And you also can change the color of the star. Like I change to the red color. So we can check the whole change like this. Yeah. So I have been working with H5P for a long time, but I feel it's good, but sometimes it's missing audio, it's missing leaderboards, and the color is kind of boring. So I use AI to create this, and so if you interesting, just wait me for about a few days. I will upload the plugin for you to test. I mean that the plugin is not expect to the data of the content of the core H5P. It just creating it just modify the color and some CSS and S audio. It may not expect to the content. So maybe you can check later.